In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag orders in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label your orders so you can organize them, prioritize work, and quickly find what you need. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Orders. This takes you to your full list of orders, where you can open any individual order you want to tag. Click the specific order number you want to work with to open its details page. On the Order Details page, look for the Tags section. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the top or along the right side. Tags are short labels you attach to an order. Think of them like sticky notes that help you group and filter later. If you want to create or add a new tag, click into the Tags field, type the tag name, something clear like urgent, wholesale, or to ship, and press Enter. Pressing Enter confirms the tag and adds it to that order. Keep tag names short and consistent so they're easy to scan and filter. Using the same spelling every time helps keep your list tidy and avoids duplicates. If the tag you need already exists, click the pencil icon next to the Tags field. A list of existing tags appears. Choose the tags you want from that list, then click Done. This is a quick way to stay consistent with tags you've used before, and it helps your team follow the same system. Once you've added your tags, you don't need to hunt for a separate save button. Simply scroll up or click elsewhere on the page, and your tag is already saved to the order. It's that fast. You can reopen the order at any time to add, remove, or adjust tags as your workflow changes. Tags are especially powerful because they help you group and filter orders. For example, you might use urgent for high-priority orders, pickup for local customers, or gift wrap for special packing. Later, you can filter your orders list by tag to see only the orders that match those labels, which makes batch processing and prioritizing much faster. That's all it takes. Open the order, find the tag section, add a new tag by typing and pressing Enter, or pick existing tags using the pencil icon and click Done. Scroll or click away to save, and you're set. With a clear tagging system, your team will spend less time searching and more time fulfilling orders efficiently.